Hi guys, happy Friday. Today we're going to be reviewing base words and suffixes, and specifically the suffix s because that is what we've been working on in school so far. So a base word is a word that cannot be broken down anymore. So for example, cat would be a base word because it can't be broken down into another word. Now, if we want to add a suffix onto the end of the word, we are changing the meaning of that word. So for example, cat, if we add an S onto the end of it, it becomes cats. And now I've changed the meaning from having one cat to having two cats. So the meaning's changed. Now today we're going to review the two different sounds that a suffix can make and how to mark suffixes and base words. Then I'm going to ask students to write out some words, turn them into suffixes, and then mark the base word and the suffix. So for example, with our word cat, I am going to write it out. Cat. I only have one cat. But now I want to add a suffix onto the end of it. So I'm going to add an S, because that's what we've been working on, onto the end of my word. And now I have cats. Notice how when we say cats, there's a S sound at the end of the word. Now if I wanted to have the word bug written down, g, and I wanted to make the meaning change into more than one or two, I would add the suffix s onto the end of the word. And now I have the word bugs. Notice how in the word bugs, the ending sound is a z. So the suffix s has two different sounds it makes. It makes a s like in cats, and it also makes a z like in bugs. So when students are writing their words, I make sure to remind them that if they hear a z sound at the end of the word, that it's not a z, and it is the suffix s. Now, to mark the word, very simple. We take our base word and we underline it. Our base word is cat. And then we circle our suffix s. Down below, bugs. We could also circle our suffix s first to help us, and then our word that's left is our base word, which is bug. So we underline the base word and we circle the suffix. I'm going to have a few words posted for students to write down and for them to add a suffix onto the end of it. And then I'm going to have them mark the word. So step 1, read all the words that are posted. Step 2, write them down. Step 3 is to add the suffix s onto the end of the words. Step 4, now reread the words with the suffix s added onto it. Step 5, mark each word and the suffix. Step 6, share your work with me.